Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to create sales orders on myBooks accounting software. Go to Transactions, select Sales Order. In All Sales Orders list page, click on Create Sales Order. Create or select the contact from the listed contacts. Enter the place of supply. Select the date and due date from the drop-down. Also, you can enter the payment term, salesperson, order status, transport info, reference, etc. Create or select the item from the created item list. Enter the details such as quantity, rate, discount, tax, etc. Enter the notes and terms of your company. Add shipping charges if you want. Add discount to the total as your wish. Then click on Save. Now sales order is created. That's it. You created your sales order on myBooks. Thanks for watching.